Hi! Welcome back to our PointMan video series. Today we'll be reviewing our latest feature, PointMan's multi-line capture. Traditional utility survey has grown accustomed to capturing multiple shot numbers and points from utilities running parallel in any given area. Workflows that help traditional survey technicians reduce data collection and field time. Now, with our new multi-line capture tool, PointMan data collectors can begin to capture line data in segments. PointMan's new multi-line capture allows data collectors to choose where to start, stop, and start again to continue adding precision data to existing lines, which otherwise would have had to have been mapped by users in their entirety, one line at a time. To begin using the multi-line capture tool, start by creating a traditional line feature. For higher GPS accuracies, prior to this step, make sure to Bluetooth connect your third-party GNSS receiver to the mobile device running your PointMan software. From the top right corner, tap on the New button. Select your desired system, component, and line style. Press OK. And make sure the GPS button is on, if not highlighted at the bottom. Capture a few points to create a line. Then finish. To begin capturing your second line, walk back to your beginning position and follow the same steps as before. Select your desired system, component, and line style. Press OK. Make sure the GPS button is on. Now walk the route and capture a few points. Then finish. You are now ready to begin using the multi-line capture tool. Select the first line you collected. In this example, I'll select the electric cable. Once highlighted, select the Move button. You'll see a warning message about preserving GPS pedigree data. Since we're adding more precision GPS data to the map, you can hit OK to move forward. To begin adding new points to your selected line, click the Add button at the bottom. Make sure you have your GPS button highlighted on too. Continue walking the original line and click Capture to add a few more points as you go. Then click Finish to end and save. Congratulations! You have successfully used the new multi-line capture tool. To continue using the multi-line capture tool, repeat those same steps until your project is complete. Select your desired line. Make sure to click the Move button. You'll see the warning message again. Double-check your GPS is highlighted on, and continue to walk the line, capturing points as you go. Repeat those same steps, adding points along the lines until you have finished your project. With the new multi-line capture tool, PointMan data collectors can continue to enhance their operational data collection workflows, saving them even more time and money. Thanks again for joining us for another PointMan features video. Make sure to stop by PointMan.com to stay up to date on new features and product releases. From all of us at PointMan, thank you. Until next time.